For this project, I am making a bouquet with fresh flowers. The first step is to clean up all the stems by removing the leaves and outer petals that look worn. The theme I chose for this bouquet is yellow and white. My focal flowers are yellow roses. My accent flowers are white ranunculus. My line flowers are the pale yellow dianthus and also Star of Bethlehem. It's not pictured here because they didn't need to be cleaned up. For fillers, I have asters and St. John's wort. For the greens, I chose seeded eucalyptus and Asparagus virgatus, a South African broom fern. Once I clean up all the stems, I begin to assemble the bouquet. This clip is actually my fourth attempt. I had originally included some orange flowers, but I took them out because I didn't like how it looked. Building the bouquet is harder than I thought it would be, and here I'm attempting to make a spiral bouquet, turning it as I build it. I was thinking that this yellow and white theme would be nice for an outdoor informal wedding, so adding the wispy fern and flowy eucalyptus gives it a more casual feel. After I finish building the bouquet, I don't want it to come apart, so I quickly secure a rubber band to hold it in place. Then I trim the stems before I wrap them in floral tape. I then wrap the stems in green binding wire, which is a paper-covered wire that looks prettier than the floral tape. Here is the finished bouquet. I added a satin ribbon to complete the look.